Sight to behold, isn't it? Hold on to the image for a while as we dive deeper into a heated situation at the University of Hyderabad. Students have been protesting against a controversial 400-acre land auction. But why should they care? Stick around to find out what's really going on. Yesterday, Sunday, March 30th, 2025, the University of Hyderabad turned into a battleground. Students took to the east campus near Mushroom Rock to protest the clearing of 400 acres of forested land in Kancha Gachibowli. For the students, this isn't just any land. We are talking about a lush green space that's home to diverse flora and fauna, a natural lung for Hyderabad. Students have been rallying for over 10 days, warning that development here could wreck the ecosystem and rob the city of vital greenery. But despite their protests, the machinery rolled in. The Students' Union called it a grave issue and slammed the university administration for staying silent. But the students, they were anything but quiet. Dozens gathered to block the project site, demanding an immediate halt on it. Their argument? This land doesn't just belong to the university. It belongs to the community and the wildlife that thrives there. A point to note is that legally the land belongs to the government of Telangana. But the chaos ensued when students were forcibly moved out of the site and were ruthlessly manhandled, even female students. As per reports, the Cyberabad police force was deployed to break up the protest. Over 50 students were detained and shifted to different police stations. Students claim that the arrests were arbitrary, with police storming academic buildings like the School of Economics to drag them out. The police, meanwhile, said that they took 52 people into preventative custody. Criminal charges may also be levied against some for allegedly obstructing officials and assaulting cops, according to reports. Students are contending that the case is already in the Telangana High Court, which gave the government until early April to respond. It is still pending. So, why are excavators moving in now? Students call it a blatant disrespect to the legal process. The movement has already gained momentum online, with many sharing visuals of the devastation that is taking place inside the university. So, where does this leave us? A university community fighting for its land, a government pushing forward with development, and a forest caught in the crossfire. The students want dialogue, not detentions. But will they get it? Let me know what you think in the comments. To stay updated on the story, hit the bell icon and lend us your support by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. This is me, lovely Majumdar, signing off. Till then, take care and stay informed.